This product can achieve DC TIG, DC pulse TIG, AC TIG, AC pulse TIG, AC DC TIG, DC MMA, and AC MMA. Total 7 processes to weld aluminum, aluminum alloy, carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, titanium, and various metal materials. Intuitive design of the control panel, easy operation, various adjustable welding parameters. Multiple kinds of output waveform, standard square wave, sine wave, triangle wave, non-standard square wave. Capable of saving and recalling 100 sets of parameters. Integrated design with the trolley, convenient for movement. Easier for successful arc starting, stable arc, and high welding quality. The 60 kHz HF IGBT soft switch inverter technology provides quick responses and high arc stiffness. It can ensure a highly stable welding current in case of grid voltage fluctuation and arc length variation. The adopted 32-bit ARM processor provides robust computing capacity and extended interface. Strong arc self-adjustment capacity, gentle arc. Low noise, fine waveform control, reduced AC welding noise. Wide adaptation, adjustable zero crossing current, suitable for the occasion that has different requirements on welding penetration or noise. MMA process enjoys low spatter, stable current, and high reliability.